One of the most overpowered features of TikTok Shop and what sets it apart from other marketplaces is its ability to seamlessly connect with creators that will make videos about your products, promote them, and automatically get a commission every time they make a sale. This is extremely powerful because you will be getting a lot of user-generated content that you don't have to pay for unless they actually make a sale, and you can specify how much to give away. Just to give you an example, this is one of my stores. In the past few months, I sold about $50,000 worth of products, but I was only responsible for 30% of it, only $14,787. In fact, the majority of the sales came from affiliates, which is 70%, so $34,536 came from people that posted videos about my products, not even me. Some of these people, I don't even know them. They just bought my product, made a video about it, and got some commissions out of it. And in the case of this shop, I actually sold 30% of the products, but in some stores that I've seen, 99% of the sales come from affiliates only. So there is no doubt that affiliates are a key component of your TikTok shop success. But how can you incentivize people to promote your products, and how much commission should you give them? Hey guys, it's the eCommerce here, and in this video I'm gonna share with you my affiliate setup. I'll help you decide how much commission to give away and the different ways that you can get new affiliates to promote your products. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1, yeah! Alright, so here's my affiliate setup. So I have a shop plan, an open plan, and also a targeted plan. Now, to access this, you need to go to your affiliate center. For that, you just have to go to your TikTok Shop Seller Center and click on affiliate. Then it's gonna prompt you with a landing page and click on get started. This changes all the time, so this might be a little bit different, but once you click on get started, you will go to your affiliate center. If you don't have a TikTok shop yet, I'm gonna leave the link in the description where you can get one and start selling your products. Alright, so for the shop plan, this is basically an universal commission rate that you set up for all of your products. I have it set up at 20%. However, this never goes into effect because I also have an open plan. And an open plan, you can specify for each product how much commission you want to give away. And it trumps the shop plan, so it has priority. If you have a shop plan with 30% commission, but then you have an open plan for a specific product with 20% commission, the actual commission that you will give will be 20%, all right? The shop plan is just for products that you haven't added into our open plan. And as you can see here, most of the products are 20%. Actually, all of them except this bundle that I'm only giving 15% because I have a little bit less margin on this product. However, I will get into the details of how I got to the 20% commission rate decision. Now, first, I want to show you also the targeted plan. You might want to create a targeted plan if you want specific creators to promote your products. So you will basically invite specific creators that you choose and offer them normally a higher commission rate than the open plan. So, for example, in this case, I handpicked a few creators that I thought that were perfect for my brand, and I'm giving them 25% commission. Now, not all of the creators that you invite are gonna accept and become your affiliates, even if you offer them a higher percentage, So actually, this doesn't work that well for me, just to be completely transparent with you. The best thing that works for my store is the open plan. Now, I highly urge you to go ahead and get all of your products and put them on an open plan. To do that, just go to your TikTok Shop Seller Center, go to Manage Products, and in here, you select the product that you want to set up for commissions. You click on More, Set Affiliate Commissions, and then you're gonna give it, the percentage that you want to give away. So I'm gonna put 20%, apply to one product. Now, if we go back to the Affiliate Center, we're gonna refresh this page, and the product is now right here, and we have 20% commission rate. Is on an open plan because we specify how much percentage we want it. So now anyone can go ahead and add this product to their showcase on TikTok and make videos about it. Tag the product and they will get commissions if they sell. Now, how much commission should you give to your affiliates? Well, it depends on a few things. How generous you are, how aggressive you want to be when trying to recruit new affiliates, and also, and most importantly, your margins. Now I'm gonna go through some examples of commissions that shops are giving away. So I'm here on my TikTok account. You can see here, the early deals and free shipping. That's all TikTok giving this stuff, subsidizing it and giving it away for free They are giving free shipping for free. They are giving also 15% off coupons, just to promote the TikTok shop ecosystem, right? The marketplace. To go to the marketplace, we actually click where it says TikTok shop. Now we're gonna click on the product marketplace button, and here we can see all of the products that are available for you to add to your showcase and to promote, okay? The same way I'm seeing this, other people, other creators can see it on their TikTok app. So we have here the pickle jar sweatshirt. It costs $37.40 and they are giving away 3.74. So they are giving away 10% commissions. Let's go to a different category and see the commissions. So look at this lemon turmeric kojic soap. It costs $9 and they are giving away $3.60. That is like 40% commission, okay? They are desperate trying to sell this product. They are giving away pretty much all of the profit. This one, you might actually recognize it from one of my other videos where I featured this product. It's crazy how much they have sold. They have sold millions. They have 84,000 products sold. That's crazy. So the price is $9.40 and they are offering $1.41 in commission. So the commission rate is 15%. Now look at this body glaze. They are giving only 11% commission. Now, TikTok Shop recommends that you give between 10 and 15%, but that all depends on your margins and how aggressive you want to be. But how do we know our margin? Well, the formula is actually pretty simple. Your margin is your gross profit divided by the revenue times 100 to get a percentage. And your profit is basically your selling price minus your total cost. So let's say that you sell your product for $25 and the total cost of that sale for you is $12. Well, your profit will be $13, right? So this number will go right here. Now we have to divide it by the revenue, and the revenue is the amount of money that you sold the product for. All right, I'm being a little bit simplistic. There's a lot of little things that add and subtract from the cost, but we're gonna get to it. So we have to divide this by that, and then we multiply it by 100, and that's gonna equal 52. And this will be our margin. All right. Now it's very important that when you're calculating your total cost, you include everything. So you need to include your product costs, your wages, your packaging costs, your overhead, and this can be your electricity, your rent, even though this is variable on a per unit basis, because if you sell 100 products, then you have to divide the electricity by 100. But if you sell 10,000, it's gonna be a lot less percentage of the product, right? But you kind of have to consider your worst case scenario when you're doing these calculations, because anything better than that will just be extra profit. You just wanna make sure that you don't lose money. Now, if you're offering free shipping, you should also include your shipping costs, all right? Now, I don't recommend you that you offer free shipping on TikTok Shop right now, because TikTok is actually subsidizing the free shipping. So if you offer free shipping, you have to pay for it. But if you don't offer it and TikTok offers it for you, then they pay for it. So I wouldn't, include the shipping cost on this calculation. I will not offer free shipping. Also, taxes, you don't have to worry about that, because the taxes are calculated on top of the sales price. So don't worry about taxes either. And now you know how much margin you have. So we have 52%. Now, what I like to do is divide this number by 2. So that will give us 26%. Okay, so we divided this by 2. And I take this percentage, and this is the maximum affiliate commission that I am willing to give away. So basically, I am splitting the profit between myself and also the creator that actually sold the product. All right, so if the profit was $10, I will get 5, and the creator will get 5. Now you can get away with offering a lot less commission than 26%. For example, in this case, if your product is extremely hot and is super easy to sell, then you can offer less, because you don't need to be so aggressive when trying to get new affiliates, because the affiliates will just come to you. So you can be a little bit more greedy in this case. But if your product is new, nobody knows about it, you're barely making any sales, it's a hard sell, then you're gonna have to give the 26% or maybe even a little bit more at the beginning, just to start getting some traction and some videos about your products that other people will see, and then they will create videos about it too, So At least you know that in this case, 52% is the maximum without losing money, and 26% is what I will recommend in this specific case. And now I'm gonna show you 5 ways to get affiliates to promote your products. But before we do that, can I ask you a favor? If you're getting some value out of this video, please give it a like and also consider subscribing for more content like this. So the first way to get affiliates is by adding all of your products into an open plan. This will automatically put all of your products into the TikTok Shop marketplace, and anyone will be able to get those products and add them to your showcase to then create videos. Number 2. Offer juicy commissions to get the ball rolling. Be generous, guys. Give so you can get, but don't get got. Alright? Especially at the beginning, give as much commissions as you can, because you want people to start making videos about your products. Because once some of these videos go viral, a lot of other people are gonna be able to see it and also try to make videos about it too. So you get that ball rolling, you get the inertia, you get the momentum, right? And then before you know it, your products are all over TikTok. Number 3, start making videos yourself and tagging your products on them. Because that is the best way that people will find your products. Because having your products on the marketplace is not enough. You need some initial exposure. So start recording and create as many videos as you can with your products tagged. Number 4, offer free samples. Once you activate the free samples, you're gonna start getting a bunch of creators begging you for your free products in exchange for videos. So to activate them, you're gonna go to your affiliate center and you're gonna open the open plan tab. In here, you're gonna see the column of free samples. So if you want to activate a free sample, you just go to the product, click on edit, and here on free sample, you're gonna click on the edit button. Now you're gonna select how many free samples you want to give away. Let's say I want to give away 20, alright? And I'm going to allow people with more than 10,000 followers to apply for a free sample. You can filter the people that can apply for free samples by the number of followers, the number of sales that their affiliate videos have gotten, and also how many e-commerce content they have produced. So you're just gonna click on submit, and the free samples are now online. Now, if you wanna see who has requested a sample, you just go to your sample request and you will see here everybody that requests for a sample, and you can either approve or reject them. Alright, so just to give you an example, here I recently shipped this sample to this guy that requested it. I also shipped some other samples here. These people already have the products and the content is pending. Once they complete it, alright, it's gonna appear here on the completed tab. And all of these people have requested samples of my products. I gave it to them and they created videos. Alright, now sometimes you're gonna give away samples to some people and they never make the video. Alright, that's just a risk that you have to take. There is no repercussions for creators that ask for a sample, they receive it, and they don't make the video. There's no repercussions, they don't have to pay for the product. But it's how it is right now. You just have to risk it. I honestly consider it like a cost of advertising, because let's say that you send 100 samples, you only need one creator to make one viral video and you're just gonna get all that money back, plus a lot more. Number 5, invite creators manually. So let's say that there's a specific creator that you think is a perfect fit for your brand. Well, you can go ahead and invite him directly. So you just go to your affiliate center, click on find creators, and you're gonna search here for the creator that you want to work with. If you don't have anyone in mind, you can also search by different categories and you will get some creators recommended to you. And you can filter them by number of followers, follower age, and follower gender. Right? Once you find one that you like, you're gonna click on invite and hopefully they accept. And now I'm going to give you a bonus way to get affiliates. On every package that you ship to your customers, include a thank you note. On that thank you note, you're gonna put, "Thank you so much for your order. We hope that you love your new product. Share the word and make a TikTok video using your brand new product. And remember to add it to your showcase so you can get commissions on every sale that you refer." Your customers will always be your best affiliates because they actually love the product. And once they get them and they are all excited about it, they are gonna express that excitement on the video that they create, getting more people to make more videos and more sales, and the cycle goes on. Thank you so much guys for sticking all the way to the end. Please like this video and subscribe for more content like this, and also check out this video. It's also about TikTok Shop, so I'm sure that you're gonna like it. Thank you, I'm out.